Hey everybody, it's Deanna Fenton here. I want to welcome you to a very spontaneous, quick, simple steps to online success. And the first way I just think is super easy, very straightforward, requires very little effort on the part of your subscribers, and it is simply sending out an email and asking them. And you could do this whether you're segmenting based on are they a beginner, intermediate, or advanced in your particular topic, or if there is a particular topic that you cover some aspect of it where they might be interested in. So I use this as an example. I would set up a very simple email broadcast and I put in 3 examples of what I might ask my subscribers. Are they interested in creating a membership site in Kajabi? Are they interested in building their email list? Or are they interested in creating a course? That just might be 3 different ways that I want them to pick one that is their highest priority. Also, you always have to be careful because if you're going to have them choosing multiple options, then you're going to have to decide whether or not you're going to track that and how you're going to track that. But let's go back to this one. So I would simply send out an email and I would say, I'm interested in finding out from you. What is your biggest priority in your business right now? Create my 3 options. And now what I would do, and I have an example. Let me just preview this for you. I have a thank you page. Now I would have a thank you page for each result. And you're going to see that's because when we get to the automations of what we need to do, can't really have them go all to the same thank you page in the automation. So I would create a thank you page. You might even customize it. I simply said, I made a note of your preferences. I'll make sure you get valuable content from me based on your response. And then I also am promoting my YouTube channel. Now, the other thought I had was, maybe direct them to some particular content on your blog that is related to their interest. So this would be one, if it was membership site, it was the interest. Maybe I would pull out some images and links and link to blog posts that were about membership sites. That we're going to have 3 different thank you pages that we are going to redirect them to based on their answer. So I'm just going to quickly copy this URL so I can show you then what we do. So now I have my email and I have created a link, and all I did was I typed, I'm interested in creating my membership site, went up here and inserted the link. I put in a kind of a dummy link, but I'm going to actually paste in that thank you page. And I am going to say, open that in a new window. And I'm going to save that and continue just because I want to be able to make sure that next step is our automation. So down here, and remember, we are on the edit content screen. That's where we want to be. I am going to click add an automation. And now, because I have the 3 links, each one going to a separate page, I'm going to say when the link in the email broadcast is clicked, and it's going to ask me any link or a specific link. I'm going to click this and I'm going to say this one because this one was for my membership interest people. Then I am going to tag them. I am going to add a tag, and I happen to organize mine by what kind of, if this was an interest, if this was an opt-in, I have different ways I tag things. So I have an interest called build a membership, and I'm just going to click save. That will mean, so taking you through the process, obviously I would go through for each of these. I would say when the link is clicked, apply a tag. The link is going to send them to the thank you page that's based on the interest I suggested or I asked. They will be tagged appropriately. So now this link, when that link is clicked, they're tagged build a membership. So going forward, if I had content that I felt was really relevant, specifically for somebody who wanted a membership site, I might use this as a way to segment the list and send the content to them.